Hey there, this is your new NFC card. You can easily program it to be your new digital business card. Simply download the free NFC Tools app onto your phone. You're going to go to the right section where you're going to put your contact information. Now write that to the card. The next time you meet someone that you'd like to exchange details with, simply tap your card onto their phone and ta-da! Now your details are on their phone. There you go, you're all set to grow. I'm Melanie and I own Futurpruf Marketing. We'd love to help you with a lot more than digital business cards. Give us a shout to help your business grow with strategic and sustainable marketing. All right, talk to you soon. Bye.